Let's do a problem. Here we have to identify the type of quadrilateral formed in each case. Let's take each case one by one. So the first part is two congruent triangles are joined by overlapping any of their sides. So these are two congruent isosceles triangles and we will join them by overlapping any of their sides. So one way of overlapping can be this. When the two congruent isosceles triangles are overlapped along their bases, and we can see that quadrilateral formed here is a rhombus. So this is a rhombus. So this is the other way of joining the two congruent isosceles triangles. They are joined along the equal sides, and in this quadrilateral we can see that base is equal to the base here, and these two sides are also equal. So such a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and we do not have any information about the angles is simply a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram. Let's take the second case. Two congruent right-angled triangles are joined by overlapping their hypotenuse. So these are two congruent right-angled triangles and we will join them along the hypotenuse. So one way of joining the right angles across the hypotenuse can be this. And we can see that resulting quadrilateral here is a rectangle. So a rectangle is being formed here. There can be another way of joining the two right-angled triangles here. If we flip this right-angled triangle, then we can join the two in one more way. Let's see how. So this is the other way of joining the two right-angled triangles. So this right-angled triangle has been flipped this time. And now the resulting quadrilateral is a kite. To understand the difference between these two figures, we can name the original right-angled triangles. We can call this as ABC and this as PQR. In the first case, that means when we form a rectangle, A is joined to Q and B is joined to P. So then we get a rectangle, and if we flip this right-angled triangle and join A to P and B to Q, then we get a kite. Let's take the third case. Two non-congruent triangles having one pair of equal sides are joined by overlapping their equal sides. So these are the two triangles. These are not congruent, but this side is equal to this side and they are joined along this side only. So the resultant quadrilateral will be, this is the resultant quadrilateral, and this quadrilateral is not a special type of a quadrilateral, it's just a plain simple quadrilateral. Fourth case is, two triangles that do not have a pair of equal sides are joined by overlapping one of their sides. So here we can see that the two triangles which do not have any pair of sides equal are joined along their sides. So this is joined along the first side, this is joined along the second side, and this is joined along the third side. And in all the three cases, we do not get any quadrilateral. So the figures obtained here are not quadrilaterals. So no quadrilateral is obtained here. So in this video, we learnt about different types of quadrilateral formed by joining different types of triangles along the sides of triangles in different ways.